We are innovative because we try to see possibilities that lay ahead of us in the future. We also work with Panasonic and have those electronic shelf labels to just give the customer a better overview and a better sight into our gas stations and advertise products in a better way than we used to do with pictures or anything else.
Die Tankstelle wird sich entwickeln, mehr und mehr zum Mobility Hub. Also man wird entsprechend Zusatznutzen für den Kunden schaffen. Carsharing-Angebote wird es geben. Carwash wird natürlich eine wichtige Säule bleiben. Das gleiche gilt für Food Service.
In the project we implemented around about 800 electronic shelf labels. It took 1 day to install all of those shelf labels together with Panasonic. It's a very good help for the people that work at the gas station, also the customers give us the feedback that it looks very nice and it looks very cleaned up in a store.
Vi kommer gerne her i weekenden for at hente vores rundstykker. For det ene er det altid åbent, og for det andet så er der meget rent her, og der er god service.
In the oil product department, we could give the customer the chance to just scan the QR code on the price label, and the customer gets routed to the oil company site, and the customer already sees, okay, I need to get this oil or the other product. And also the possibility of using NFC and those price labels was a big thing for us because in the last 2 years we established pages on Facebook and Instagram and try to just show our gas stations closer to the customers, especially to younger customers, to show them what they can get at our gas stations. And we can also have the chance to promote certain products in a whole different way than we could do it before. We can just change it on the computer, the layout of the electronic price label, to just make it like a red frame around the price label so the customer sees it right at hand. Okay, there's a promotion or there's something offered on this product, so there's highly likely a chance that the customer buys those products more often than he did before.